So for this little painting, I'm going to use the colors I used in the example above, which is ultramarine blue and raw sienna. So out of this range of colors, I will construct a little landscape. And I'm starting with a very light wash of ultramarine blue, just to drag it across there and create a sky with clouds. And then with a bit of raw sienna mixed into it, just to gray it down a bit, I'm going to add my mountains and then just drop in a bit more pigment for some variation on top of the ridge there. And then I'm mixing pretty much a pure raw sienna for the grassy foreground area, and then dropping in a mix of the two colors for some texture. And you can see it's dried mostly before I move to the middle ground, and I mixed a darker green for the trees in the middle ground and go around my main tree that I'm going to put in there in a minute. It's a bit of negative painting, and I'm just dropping in dark and darker color. But yeah, it's just as per the color chart above, different values and ratios between those two colors. It gives me a good range between blues and grays and greens. Pretty perfect for the Australian landscape, to be honest. So I use those colors quite a lot. And now I'm moving on to fairly thick paint, scumbling in my gum trees. One is a bit warmer and the one on the right a bit cooler. And now I'm just adding the branches and the shadowy side of the tree trunk. And then again with almost pure raw sienna, just drawing in some of those branches for this tree. Now, this is obviously a very short video. It's not a stroke by stroke follow along, but I just wanted to give you the confidence that with just two colors, if you choose them wisely, you can create very nice little paintings that are harmonious, and you don't have to think too much about color choices and just think about the values. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful.